Hello, and welcome to this 9-minute video where we, DevObsessed, are going to talk to you about how we can help you get your platform up and running. Before we dive into the rest of the video, let's quickly cover who and what DevObsessed is, and we'll also talk a little bit about my background. So first things first, who is DevObsessed? What do we do? DevObsessed is a boutique consultancy that's based out of Omaha, Nebraska. We have several senior and principal level full-time employees that can help as a consultant for your own needs. Now, we have a broad range of areas of expertise that we can help you with. We can help implement with application development, both front-end and back-end. We can help you with platform engineering and cloud architecture designs. We have many great people that can help you with user experiences. And we can even help you with artificial intelligence adoption if you need it. Long story short is we can do it all. Now, a little bit about myself. My name is Andrew Estes, and I am a principal consultant or principal engineer at DevObsessed. Now, I focus on the platform side of the house, so I get to work with clients from start to finish to implement automation, DevOps-related tools, and even design their cloud architecture. I have over 13 years of experience that range from things like virtualization, Linux engineering, and overall systems engineering. I've got a lot of experience in public cloud vendors, deploying infrastructure as code, and even security. Most recently, some of my projects with DevObsessed include things like government regulated workloads, applications within the healthcare industry. I've worked with financial institutions to deploy security applications. And we've even helped just straight up SaaS providers that needed a little extra help for their applications. Now, moving on, let's talk about what this video is about. We're going to discuss 4 common symptoms that we see in the industry as a consultant company. We're going to break down at a high level how DevObsessed can help you solve some of those symptoms by talking about how we address them. Now, before we get going, I do want to call out that there's no magic potion or one size fits all for every client. So we're going to work with you at your very individual specific levels to help solve your issue. But let's go ahead and dive in and talk about each of these symptoms. The first symptom is manual deployments and updates. Now, we can help work with you to design a proper pipeline for your deployments. So we're going to help you implement the best solution for continuous integration and continuous deployments for your app code, as well as including that testing that's required. Now, we also can help you build a fully automated, hands-off approach wherever it makes sense. We're going to help you design this to avoid easily repeatable processes, as well as to avoid potential human error that's unfortunately very common in the tech world. The last thing here is we can utilize any version control provider that you need, whether it be GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, whatever it is, we've worked in it, we've deployed automated pipelines in it, we can help you with it. If you need it, we can do it. Next up, we have mismatched and improperly sized environments, another very common symptom. The first thing we want to talk about is we can help you establish an easily repeatable process for promoting your code through your different environments. So if you have things like dev, user acceptance, and prod, we can help design and then implement that easily repeatable process to accurately and securely promote that code through those different environments until your customer can see it. Now, we can also help implement best practices regarding things like immutable infrastructure. When you're leveraging things like the public cloud, it's important to leverage them in the best way possible. Now, it's not very common when you're on-prem to treat infrastructure as immutable, so we can help you understand that and design your architecture to take advantage of concepts like that. The third thing here is we can properly plan right-sized environments to avoid unnecessary costs. When you're going to the cloud, first and foremost, it can be a little confusing and a little difficult. So it's especially difficult if you're lifting and shifting. Well, we can help you plan your environment to accurately size resources so you're not wasting any of those resources. In other words, you're not paying for what you're not using. We're going to get you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. The third symptom here is the lack of proper security and visibility. With this, we're going to help avoid the out of the box cookie cutter solutions that a lot of people would give you. We treat each workload like a unique snowflake. And since it is a unique snowflake, we want to custom tailor fit the right security framework for your application. We don't want to give you just something that any old person can pull from the internet and spin up. That's how you get vulnerabilities and leaked data. So let us help you custom tailor a security fit. We can also help you implement the correct observability and monitoring tools. If you're not monitoring and you're not measuring metrics, well, I hate to say it, you're probably not running a very efficient application. With our experience in the platform side of things, we can help implement tools like Prometheus and Grafana, just to name a couple, to help you improve the overall efficiency of your application. The last thing here is we can leverage the best tools for the most suitable approach for outages. I think I speak for everyone here that you don't want your customers telling you when there's an outage. You want to catch it before they catch it, and you want to fix it before hopefully they even get a chance to see it. Well, we can help you choose and implement the best tools to be more proactive instead of reactive for this type of issue. Now, the last symptom here is choosing the wrong tools for the job. This is a very, very common one. One of our solutions to address this symptom is we can present the right tools that fit the platform at hand. We're not just going to give you everything and anything. We're going to pick the right tools for the job. We can also help you leverage powerful services for more efficient architectures. An example of this is not reinventing the wheel. We don't want to create a service or stand something up that doesn't need to be done. If it's already done and we can leverage a service that offers that, well, we're going to help you choose the correct one to do so. Thirdly, we're going to help avoid tool and documentation sprawl. I think anyone that's worked at any size company has experienced this exact symptom, and it's a pain. DevObsessed is going to help you organize your documentation, and we're also going to help generate documentation to make it easier to find and follow and read. I mean, what good is documentation if you can't even find it and you can't even read it? Let us help you get everything into one manageable place with an easy to read documentation process. The fourth thing here is we can help walk through the design process to determine potential overkill. Now, what we mean by this is just because there's a new tool set that's really hot within the industry doesn't mean it's going to be the best fit for your use case. We want to go through, vet out the right applications and services, and present those to you so you can do it up front in the design process to help avoid later complexities that could come up and potential headaches and outages. Let's choose the right tool in the beginning so that you get out ahead. All right, now those are just 4 common symptoms that we see as a consultant agency within the tech world. It's important to call out that we're not a one-size-fits-all consultancy. We're going to work with you at a low level and develop a relationship so that we can get a more specific designed approach to help you solve your problem. That's a big benefit of using a consultancy like DevObsessed. Now, please, we invite you to schedule a free consultation by clicking the link that's provided. And also, please be sure to check out our website where you can see our services, some of our employees and our consultants, and some of our existing projects that we've worked on at devobsessed.com. We really look forward to hearing from you soon.